Okay, so welcome back. So this is the next step. It's been a long day, but today, right now, I'm gonna apply the Tenacity. If you're familiar with Tenacity, you already know what it does. If you're not familiar with Tenacity, this is a weed killer, preventer, post-emergent, pre-emergent, everything. This is a very, very powerful stuff here. But today I'm gonna use it as a pre-emergent. I'm gonna coat my soil, so it's gonna help my grass seeds grow weed free. It'll give me about a 3 to 4 week window, give or take, depending on the amounts of rain. If we get a high volume of rain, you might need to apply maybe a second application within that 3 to 4 week window. But on the general side, it'll give you 3 or 4 week coverage. This is the perfect time to do it when your soil is exposed before you lay down your grass seeds. This is the best time to actually apply the Tenacity. Like I said, it kills a lot of other weeds also in the post-emergent coverage. So it's just very, very expensive. But this little 8-ounce bottle will cover up to 2 acres. So it tells you a lot that you can get 8 ounces to cover 2 acres of land. It actually comes with a little measuring tool here. And basically everything on here is self-explanatory. It tells you the gallons of water that needs to be used, and it'll tell you how many teaspoons to use in those amounts of the gallons of water. So let's get to going. Let's get it put down, and we'll see what happens. You don't want to overspray it. Just enough lightly mist right over the soil. That's all it takes. So let's get to work. Alright, we ready to hit the yard. that simple. You just go ahead and spray, lightly mist the yard or whatever you're trying to spray. And like I said, it'll give you 3 to 4 week protection, and then you can go ahead, as soon as you finish spraying, you can go ahead and throw your grass seed right down. So that's about it. We'll see what happens. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.